I'm Grete from Scandinavian Today. I am going to bake individual Mazarin cakes, and I understand that they actually were invented in Italy about 400 years ago, but they have become very popular in the Nordic countries. And I remember I ate them a lot as a child in Denmark, and of course in Sweden they're popular as well as in Norway. So let's make them. They're easy to make and they're delicious.
So here I pour in the flour, and I added the powdered sugar. I want to make sure it gets mixed up thoroughly. Alright. And next comes all the butter. I already chopped it up, and then we have to make sure it gets all crumbly in here. So actually you can do it with your fingers, or you can use a mixer, whatever is easiest for you. Okay, you can just squeeze it with the finger so it's get all mixed up. You know, you want really little small crumbs here. I actually also like to use my mixer. It does break up the butter into tiny pieces. So let's finish this. And here I have the extract. I put it into the egg yolk and I add it to the mixture here. And then I'm going to assemble it. And I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for about an hour to cool down before I continue. Make sure it all sticks together. And here we have the dough, and I have it in a plastic bag. I put it in the refrigerator and I'll be back in an hour to continue. And for the filling of my mazarins, I'm going to use approximately 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then I have about 3/4 cup of confectioner's sugar. I have 2 small eggs, and then I have about 1 cup of ground almonds, and I'm also going to use a drop of green food coloring. So let's start mixing up, and I will first cream the butter and the icing until light and fluffy. So here we have the butter in the bowl. I'm adding the icing and I mix it up. And I beat up the 2 eggs in the bowl here before I add them to the icing. Here it comes. And then I mix this up. And I'm going to add just 1 drop of green food coloring. You don't need to add it if you don't want to. Then here comes the ground almonds, little by little. And it's ready. And I'm now rolling out the dough. And then I'm going to cut it out and put it in the tin forms. And I use a glass to cut out. And then I'll put the cutout in the form. And I press it down. Okay, so I continue and fill it all up. So here we have all the forms, and I add the filling. So here we have the forms, and I added the filling, and I can now put it in the oven. I have the oven set at 375, and I should bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes until the surface is lightly brown. So here we have them all out of the oven. They were in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm now going to let them cool down, and after they've cooled down, I'll add the chocolate topping. Here we have all the mazarins finished, and I'm now going to put on the frosting. It's pretty easy. So here you see my mazarine, and I'm going to cut it through so you can see the filling inside. The almond paste is inside here. So here we have a nice tray full of my mazarines, and I'm going to share them with my family tonight. I hope you will also enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Skål, take care, and I hope to see you another day. I wish you all the best. Thank you.